Welcome to Farming on 40 Meters Squared, and today I'm going to be putting some beds to rest. Yes, today we're going to do some mulching and preparing the beds, and we're going to leave them to rest for a couple of months. So let's get started. Okay, so I just needed to fix up some of the beds as they were coming a little apart. But overall, after 4 years, these concrete beds have served me well. Made all of them myself, so everything's possible. Okay, so what we're going to start with first is just removing all the previous vegetation, all the crops. Like in this bed, I had saffron, I had turmeric in this bed. So I removed all the bulbs, all the corns, so that it's just basically the dry soil now. As you can see, there is no uh, vegetation in it. It's just dry soil. So basically all the nutrients are gone. So we're just going to add some more leaves and vegetation to it. Okay, so the next thing on the list is to basically get some ash. So I found all the dry wood and extra wood lying around on the plot, and I burnt it all up and put the ash onto the bed on top of the leaves. If you haven't watched why you should put ash on your beds, it is I have a video on that in the playlist. You can watch that. It's very informative and a very good watch. Okay, and then after that, we've added the leaves, added the ash. We'll add some cow manure, quite a lot of cow manure to the soil and kitchen scraps. It doesn't have to be broken into fine manure, but this is fine, and that'll attract a lot of the worms and microbes that we need to increase the nutrients in the soil. Okay, so once we got that all done and added there, we're gonna start mixing it all in. Nice hard job to do, but all worth it. Gonna mix it once, then we'll mix it again. Make sure we refine it, get most of the soil up and most of the nutrients down at the bottom. And then once we've done that, I did raked it out, leveled it out as best as I could. The reason why we level it out is we don't want the water just accumulating in puddles. So we do that. And that's basically this bit done. The last thing that we're going to have to do on here is add water. Water helps now with softening of the manure, of the leaves. It's going to help breaking it down. And we're going to keep doing that throughout the next couple of months, just watering, adding more stuff to it, and increasing those nutrients for the next season, which will most probably be the saffron in May. And we'll do these new two next beds. Won't bother you with the whole video of what you've just seen again. So yeah, this one will be a quick couple of slides. And that's it.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you're still watching, like, share, and subscribe, and help a small farmer out. And thank you again. Cheers.